HIV/AIDS student activists from across the nation gathered together at the University February 26th through the 28th for the 2016 Student Global AIDS Campaign Conference. At the conference, students gained insight on the current fight against the AIDS pandemic. Through a series of speakers and workshops, students had the opportunity to engage with individuals directly involved in HIV policy work.
We're a part of a larger network of clubs around the nation. So the Student Global AIDS campaign works to incorporate political activism to fight the HIV/AIDS epidemic. We call our senators, we write to them, we host events just to get awareness out there and just let students know that they can do more. So the conference is more informational about how you can advocate in different ways.
Different schools from all over the country are coming. So we have people from Harvard, St. Mike's, Iowa State, Howard, Georgetown. They're all coming here so that we can convene and discuss ways that we can better advocate for the end of HIV.
So there'll be different workshops held about storytelling, about the most effective ways to get in contact with your representatives, or using social media as a way to advocate.
I went last year and it was hosted at Harvard and it was just a blast. I learned so much about how to talk to politicians.
A bunch of interesting speakers. There's summer students. There's a doctor who's in charge of the UVA Center for Global Health who will be speaking. There are med students who are also incorporating advocacy into their medical work.
So for this conference, we're going to be focusing mainly on how we as a chapter can increase our ability to influence legislation, talk to politicians, educate our general collegiate public, and things like that.
AIDS isn't this arbitrary thing that affects people in other countries, but that there are over 1,000 people in Albemarle County with HIV/AIDS. There's so much that we can do as advocates, and we have power to fight this pandemic and end it by 2030.